some magic in my own special way. I cook for the baby, the kid, and the grown, in this cozy little space that we call our home. Mayu's cooking show, come on, let's go. I bake, I stir, and I make it all flow. Tips and tricks for your little ones, healthy meals and tasty fun under the sun. Mayu's cooking show, come on, let's go. For the baby, soft and sweet, purees and bites they love to eat. For the kids, fun and bright, snacks and meals that feel just right. Mayu's cooking show, come on, let's go. I bake, I stir, and I make it all flow. Tips and tricks for your little ones, healthy meals and tasty fun under the sun. Mayu's cooking show, come on, let's go. Baking goodies, oh so fine, cakes and cookies, watch them shine. In the kitchen loves our spice, with every dish we add a slice. For the adults, hearty and warm, meals that comfort through the storm. Family dinners, joy and cheer, Mayu's magic always near. Mayu's cooking show, come on, let's go. I bake, I stir, and I make it all flow. Tips and tricks for your little ones, healthy meals and tasty fun under the sun. So join me, Mayu, in this kitchen delight, cooking for all morning, noon, and night. With love in each bite, we cook and create. In Mayu's kitchen, everything's great. Ooh. For the baby, soft and sweet, purees and bites they love to eat. For the kids, fun and bright, snacks and meals that feel just right. Ooh. Under the sun. Baking goodies, oh so fine, cakes and cookies, watch them shine.